In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Jira Error 429 step by step and explain exactly why this error happens and how you can prevent it from coming back in the future. Jira Error 429 usually means too many requests, and it commonly appears when Jira detects excessive activity from your browser or account in a short period of time. This can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of managing issues, boards, or sprint planning. Don't worry though, because the fixes are simple and don't require any technical knowledge. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log out and log back into your Jira account. This may sound basic, but it's one of the most effective ways to clear temporary session issues that can trigger Error 429. Go to the top right corner of Jira, click on your profile icon, and choose Log Out. Once you're fully logged out, close that tab, reopen your browser, and sign back into Jira using your normal credentials. In many cases, this alone resets the request limit and immediately resolves the error. Next, make sure you close any extra Jira tabs that are open in your browser. Having multiple Jira tabs open at the same time can cause Jira to send too many background requests, especially if those tabs are refreshing data like boards, backlogs, or calendars. Go through your browser and close all unnecessary Jira tabs, leaving just one active tab open. After that, refresh the remaining tab and check if the error is gone. This step is very important and often overlooked. The third step is to avoid bulk actions, especially right after logging back in. Bulk actions like updating multiple issues at once, mass edits, or rapid navigation between boards can quickly trigger Jira's rate limits. Try performing actions slowly and one at a time. If you need to make bulk changes, wait a few minutes between actions to give Jira time to reset your request count. This helps prevent the error 429 from appearing again. If you're still seeing the error after following these steps, take a short break from Jira for a few minutes. Jira rate limits are usually temporary, and waiting can allow the system to automatically clear the restriction. Once you return, keep your usage light and avoid opening multiple views at once. And that's it. By logging out and back in, closing extra Jira tabs, and avoiding bulk actions, you can fix Jira Error 429 quickly and reduce the chances of it happening again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.